It's trash. Everything is falling. These palm trees are going to hit me in the head. Look at the crap in my pool. Look at the bark falling off those palm trees. It's real hard. You can hit your head and crack. Look at my pool. Everything flew off my table. Nothing important. But yeah, it's pretty bad. I got yours too. You had a lot more dust. I'm getting out of here too. Oh my God, look at my pool. We just look at the rugs in the pool, the mop, magazines. Bad storm. Tornado weather. This is what we get in Arizona. Massive dust storms. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna breathe that dust. Whoa! 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 Holy shit! Oh my God! Look at that! That almost killed me. Look at the candy. See how heavy that was? Unbelievable.